one.
Hi, I'm Avni Gupta. Today I'm gonna tell you about the three best friends. So, once upon a time, there lived three best friends. The first best friend's name was Pinky, and the other's best friend's name was Minnie. The third best friend's name was Brownie. They all were having a lot of fun. But then one day, Pinky said that I want to go out and ride the bike. So Minnie and Brownie said, let's go and ride the bike. So they all went out and rode the bike. And then after a few minutes, Minnie fell down. So Pinky and Brownie came to see. And then Pinky told that I have a bandage. I'm gonna put it on her knee. And she put it on her knee. So then they all they both helped Minnie get home, and after she got home, they both they helped Minnie wash wash the hurt she got, and then they put it a bandage again, so it got all cleaned and no germs were on it. Then Minnie said that can I have some ice? Uh, I feel more hurt than before. So Minnie walked to the fridge and she took out ice by her own self because Brownie and Pinky were both sleeping. They were very tired from the bicycle ride. So they both fell asleep. And now Pinky was watching TV and she put it the ice on her knee. And then when she was watching the TV, she felt a little tired. So she slept and she fell asleep. All the friends fell asleep, and then when they woke up, they found that they forgot to lock the door, and somebody has came into their house, and they have taken all the good things they had, and he or she didn't even left any food. So all of the friends were worried, and Pinky, she was the smallest, so she felt a little hungry. And then Minnie, who was the youngest, told that I am gonna go and see if there's a little bit money left in my purse because I hide my purse somewhere special. So she went to the room and she checked, but there was only $4 left. And then she came back and told that I only have $4. How will we buy any food? So then Brownie told that I need to check in my bag too because I also hid it somewhere special. Let me go and check. So Brownie went and checked and he found that there was only $5 left because the the bad guy didn't leave any more money there. So they said, let's go and buy something from $9. So they all went outside and they buy something from the $9, and then they all ate a little bit, but still all of them were hungry because they only had $9. So they all tried to find more money in their home, and then they found that the bad guy who stolen everything had fallen asleep because Minnie had kept a drink and she wanted to drink after a little bit of time, but she fell asleep before. So he so Minnie said the bad guy might be really thirsty, so he drank it, and now he's all asleep. And then they took all the money and stuff inside that he had stolen from the homes. And then Minnie, Brownie and Pinky returned it to everyone who the bad guy had stolen from, and they put fake money and stuff, so he thinks that it's still full, and all of they pretended that they were sleeping where they were sleeping. So Minnie slept on the sofa, so she again slept on the sofa, and then Bunny and Pinky slept in their bedroom. So they went in their bedrooms and fallen asleep. Only Minnie was the one who didn't sleep because it was only pretending. But then she fallen asleep. And then when they wake up, it was already morning. And then they forgot everything that last night. So they just ate breakfast and they had a lot of fun that day. But there was still one problem. Brownie needed to eat food, and their money, the bad guy, they forgot their money inside that bag, and they had nothing to eat. So the bad guy was still sleeping, because what she put it in there, it was, you have to sleep a whole day, and it wasn't a whole day. So they took out their money and then the food and stuff that he had stolen, and they made it, and then Minnie thought of a good idea to make the full place night. So she first took a piece of paper, a big one, and then a little bit of cardboard, and then she told Pinky to color the whole piece of paper in black and kind of blue, and then she told Brownie to cut the cardboard and give it to Pinky. Cut the cardboard into moon and stars, and then give it to Pinky, and her own job was to make food, because they all was really hungry, and so she did it, and they all did it. They made it for all of their house, and then after they ate food, they were so tired that they were like, I have to sleep, but they only pretended. So they pretended to sleep where they were, and then the bad guy waked up, and then he said, oh, this was a good drink. Oh, I was sleeping a little bit, that's okay, but I still have everything in there, and they also didn't wake. And then he quietly opened the door and went, and he left the door open because the door was already open. They forgot to lock it. So he went, and then they all waked up after they heard the sound of like closing the gate. So they all were very happy, and they played. Now it's the end of the story, and the lesson of the story is, if you go out, you should always lock the door when you come in your home, or if you go outside your home. Bye.